Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making jalapeno poppers. Now this recipe is great for those spice lovers out there and for those looking to dive into the great world that is jalapeno peppers. These are easy to make and each popper contains a beautiful burst of spice and flavor. So let's get started.
All right, let's dive right into this recipe. We're gonna first preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. For the start of our dish, we're gonna need about 7 jalapeno peppers, and we're gonna slice the jalapenos in half lengthwise, doing your best to split them evenly and through the stem as well. You always wanna wear gloves, as this helps not to spread the spiciness to your face as you cut it. Now you want to use a small spoon to remove the inner membranes and seeds from each half of your jalapenos. Transfer the jalapeno halves to a parchment paper lined baking sheet while we prepare the filling. In a medium-sized bowl, you want to mix together 8 ounces worth of cream cheese that's been softened to room temperature with half a cup's worth of sharp cheddar cheese that's been shredded, about 2 tablespoons worth of chives that have been finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a generous dash of salt. Mixing those together until they're all well combined. Using a fork to mix this works best. Now you just want to fill your jalapeno halves with this cheese mixture. And now in a separate small bowl, you want to combine about a 1/4 cup's worth of panko breadcrumbs with a tablespoon's worth of melted unsalted butter. You want to top each jalapeno with this crumb mix. Transfer these to the oven and bake them for 18 to 20 minutes or until the tops have turned golden brown. Remove them from the oven and allow these to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. I like garnishing these with some additional chopped chives, and with that last step, these are ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made jalapeno poppers right at home. You can also add bacon bits to the jalapeno poppers for even more flavor. So when you try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish.
As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make my jalapeno popper recipe. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends.
And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make an amazing Italian bread, my garlic knots. They're easier than you think and they pack a ton of flavor. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. You can always catch more videos on my page. YouTube thinks you'll like these recipes, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.